Hello everyone, my name is Sahib Lohkare. My roll number is 20CH10034 and this is my DIY assignment number 2. I made a circuit of smart street light in which we control the light depending upon the light intensity falling on the photoresistor. You can see this is a workspace and this is a component space. Firstly, we will drag component in the board, which are a Arduino board, a bulb, a photoresistor and a power supply, and also a NPN transistor. I will arrange this later. First I will draw the circuit. One terminal of photoresistor should be given to 5 volt and we can change the color of the wire to red to indicate this is a power wire. The other terminal can be given to analog pin, let's say A5. Let's change the color to purple to indicate that is an input wire. Similarly, the same terminal which is connected to A5 should also be connected to the ground, but it is important to attach a resistor because resistor help to prevent the excessive current to the photoresistor so that it won't be burn out. So these are the LDR connection. Let's see the working principle of an LDR. The working principle of an LDR is a photoconductivity which is not but an optical phenomenon. When the light is absorbed by the material, then the conductivity of the material enhances. When the light falls on the LDR, then the electron in the valence band of the material are eager to conduction band. So let's come to the connection of power supply. So this is the negative of the power supply should also be connected to the ground and the positive terminal should be connected to light bulb. Another terminal of a light bulb should be connected to the emitter pin of NPN resistor. Connector of NPN should be connected to the ground of power supply and base should be connected to one of the digital inputs of the Arduino. Now, in order to program our Arduino, we need to provide a code. To do that, we need to click on code and text option. This is the default code we got from the software, which we can replace by our code. So this is our code. You can see LDR is connected to pin number F5, which given over here, and here LDR outputs some voltage value. So we are taking that LDR value and light is connected to pin number 3, which is connected through NPN transistor that is given over here. Coming to the basic setup, light is connected as an output because we are controlling the light based on light intensity, and light intensity is considered as input which is given through photoresistor. So now coming to the loop, we take the analog read from the photoresistor. If the value exceeds certain threshold like a lot of light, then light is set to low. This is now light should work. To check the program is working or not, so let's start this simulation. I think there is a mistake. Let me check where I did wrong. Oh, I got it. Here in the NPN transistor, we need to attach a resistor because resistor will help to protect our NPN resistor to not to burn out when there is excessive current flowing through it. So let me delete the wire. Drag a resistor and connect it through it to the wire. So after correcting my mistake, I rearrange the circuit and now we start simulation. Here you can see when the intensity, hold on a second. Here you can see when the light intensity is low, the bulb is glowing. Now let us increase the light intensity. So here you can see when the light intensity is very high, the bulb is stop glowing. So this is the project Smart Street Light. Thank you for watching this.